Every day, your cells are attacked by oxidative stress and inflammation, the real reason behind wrinkles, weak joints, and low energy. But the good news is, you can slow it down with just 5 simple foods. Number 1. Papaya. Papaya contains vitamin A, C, and digestive enzymes that repair skin and keep it glowing. One bowl in the morning improves skin and gut health. Number 2. Tomato. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a natural sun shield that protects collagen of your skin from sun damage. Cooked tomato works better than the raw. Number 3. Nuts. Just 4 to 5 soaked almond and 2 walnuts daily give omega-3 and antioxidant that repair skin and slow brain aging. Number 4. Green tea. This drink fights cell damage, improves metabolism, and reduces internal aging. 1 to 2 cups a day is enough. Number 5. Amla. Amla is one of the richest vitamin C foods that boost collagen and keeps skin tight and youthful. So aging is not only about years, it's about daily habits. Eat these 5 foods daily and your body will age slower than your birthday. Follow for more science-based health tips. Thank you.